Hi friends, it's Gloria from Golden Bucket Farm. I'm the Jersey Lady One here on YouTube, and today I'm bringing you my artist trading coin hanger-upper thingy is what I've been calling it. I guess it's a trading coin hanger. I had my trading cards in one of these pocket protector things that you put baseball cards in, or that we crafty ladies use for our pocket letters, but I wanted to hang mine up. So I turned the cards or the coins to the side and used the top edge to make a little hanging strip. I don't know if all the page protectors are made the same, but just like my, you have these little pockets here for the cards to go into or the coins to go into. Up here or on the side, where you have the holes to put the protector into an album, those little sections on my kind of page protector are open. So I took two little strips, about half-inch strips, or maybe just a little less, 2 layers, and slid those into those little open sections to kind of strengthen it. And then I cut a 1-inch strip. This is heavy duty cardstock from Hobby Lobby. I don't know, they don't have the pounds on there, or the heavyweight, is it called, I guess. Anyway, I cut it at 1 inch, scored it at 1/2 inch, and then put double-faced tape on both sides of the score and just popped it down over that. Oh, my chair, making kind of rude noises. Popped it down over that strip where you put the protector into an album. I tied some twine through the holes and just put some brads in for pretty. I also put glossy accents on the twine knot to make it so that it will not untie. And I've just got this hanging now on my little pretty that I use when I'm filming on my work table. But you can see that you could easily hang this up onto on the wall or on a shelf or on a pegboard or whatever. Okay, so just a easy, quick little project so that you can, as you collect trading cards, no, trading coins. As you collect those, you'll have a way that you can display them. I've really been having a good time making trading coins, and I've had some people who said they wanted to swap with me on those. So this set is not done. I've only got 4 of them, and they need some work yet. But this I'm calling my pet set. It's all animals, and I've got 9 of them figured out what I'm going to do with them, and found little sayings for each of them. So I'll make a little video about these, and I also already have a video on how I make my trading coins, so that in case you're just coming to the trading coin party, you will know how to do these. It's just an alternative for the ATC's artist trading cards. It's a circle version of that. And so when I get my pet set done, I'll make a little video about that too. Okay, well, take care and happy crafting, and we'll see you soon again. Bye-bye.